the spot to get in at. All right, here we go. This is a little more like it. Shit ton of poison ivy. Good thing I don't get it. Here we go. We out here. We're about to do some cranking. Got me a little Shad Raps tied on right here. It's a little XR. I've done a ton of reviews on the Shad Raps, but I've never tossed one of these little XRs before. Whew. We're going this route. All right, we're about to pull one out from under this tree. Let's get back under there. Maybe more right there. There he is. That's a good fish. Haha. That's what we want. There he is, y'all. Pretty small, y'all. All right, y'all. That's a good start. That was a nice little pounder. Fun to catch. Gotta be the fish. On these Shad Raps, they're floating Shad Raps made out of balsa, so they float really nice. Anytime you get one hooked up on a rock, try not to sink it real hard. And there's a fish. Oh, I missed him. So if you ever get one hung up on a rock, just let it sit there for a minute, then pop it up. I know there's another fish in this hole. One more up under that tree. There he is. Nice fish. Well, Shad Rap doing work. See. I was hoping there was one more sitting in there. Now we just got these little small isolated pockets. Make 1 or 2 casts in each one. Keep on moving. Get a lot of snags, but like I said, if you just kind of let up, then pop it real good. The Shad Raps like to pop right out of there. Come up on another little hole. Couple casts out in there. Snag, you let it up. You don't get a fish, you just keep moving. No reason to just keep casting in one spot. A lot of people might think you can't use a lip like that in 6 inches. That's what gets you your bites. Hits off them rocks, skips off sideways. That's what triggers them reactions. They're literally all 6 inches of water. Keep your pole tip up. I'm swimming it right downstream. Tell me this don't look like Gainer Mountain. I freaking love this place. Fish. Bring him right through them riffles. Not a bad little smallie. Another decent little smallmouth. That's a white guy. Old Shad Rap putting in work, y'all. See ya. Now that guy hit it as soon as it hit the water. He was sitting there waiting on something. Hooked up. Barely hooked. Same spot, y'all. See, bro. All right, last cast. We're gonna make our way on down. Hooked up. Same spot, y'all. See you. That's a nice fish. I didn't think he was gonna come out of that little hole. Beautiful black fish. Real dark colored smallmouth. Y'all want to check out all the releases, go check out my shorts. I post a lot of different things on there. Not all fishing related, but try to keep it that for the most part. Outdoor related. Oh, there's a good one. Get over here. He's fighting different. That's a largemouth. Standing in the same spot we caught the last one, y'all. See ya. Just calmly swam off. Alright, we're moving on down. Been a pretty good day so far. Haven't been keeping track of the fish, but I may put a little number down in the right hand corner. Y'all check out this big water maple that fell. What a shame. Big old maple. Man, what a beautiful spot. There's a fish. He crushed it. Nice fish. Shad Rap wrapping it. Beautiful fish. See ya. Took a cast behind me where we just walked. Got a little 1/4 pounder with cheese. Oh, they're feisty. Dude, oh. See ya. Man, they're slippery too, y'all. My bad on the not so graceful release. They want that moving water right now. Little small jaw. Little pale guy. Beautiful fish. See, bud? Not a bad fish. Decent little guy. See you, bro. Skiing a little 1/4 pounder in. Still not sure of the count. This is where we're gonna end it off. We're right back where we started. Get a release on this girl. She's probably ready to take off. See ya. All right, I appreciate y'all watching, man. I gotta get home, get cleaned up, clean my camera off. Catch y'all next time, man. Peace.